So I'm here at the lake house. This house is located in Wendell. And as you can see, there is a beautiful lake that wraps around the entire back of this property. This house is a 3-2, 1,700 square feet with a 2-car garage. Let's go see what it looks like on the inside. This is not painted brick, you guys. This is white brick. Check out these windows. All right, let's go inside. Main entry. We have a nice coat closet here. Living room, kitchen to the left. The plan is to pull out all of these cabinets and the bulkhead. Bring in brand new cabinets, new flooring, paint, new light fixtures. We're in the eat-in kitchen now. This kitchen leads to the garage, where you also have a nice closet here. Let's check this garage out. She is a nice 2-car garage. Exit door there. And also a nice little tool space. Pegboard all the way around. Okay. Head back in. Okay. Off of the kitchen, we have the laundry. And a half bath. Look at that little tiny sink. Okay. Let's step through the living room. Obviously we need flooring, clean up this fireplace, new mantle. Gosh, why does that happen to me every single time? Stacy? Every time. All right, back to the living room. These huge sliders. Fireplace. I go out on this ginormous deck and overlook the pond. And this pond wraps all the way around. So we got some landscaping to do out here. Rework this deck. Take down that very dead tree. Back inside. I do love these ceilings with these beams across. All right, let's go see the bedrooms. Here we go. All right, there's the entry. And down the hall, we have another closet, hall bath. So I'll put in all new stuff in here. This house was built in the 70s, so you got these little 4x4 tiles. Bedroom on the right. With a really nice closet. Next bedroom's in the back here. Another nice closet. Gotta love the green carpet, and you can see the lake. And then we go to the master. Master is a decent size. With a nice size closet. Views of the lake. Another view of the lake. And a tiny little ensuite. See you later.